Hello guys, I'm here today. We're gonna play SCP games and SCP monsters. So this one is kinda different. Okay. Come on. Why I'm so lagging? Okay. Okay. Yes. Wow, badge award! 2 badge! Guys, I have 2 badge! What's that? Okay. That code's wait. It code's SCP-300. Okay. Looks like 3,000, I guess. Okay, let's go there. What's that? Okay. Why am I so lagging? Why is it lagging this game? Uh-oh. What's that? Stair? Okay. Oh, we should close it. Okay. Okay, I will see the monster there. Guys, I have 2 badge, guys. Okay, next. This one is called Backrooms. Okay, I have a bit feeling about this, guys. Oh, we're in Backrooms. Okay. There's a badge there. Oh, there's a monster. Hello. Oh. Oh, no. Ow! Stop! Let's get out of here, this place. This place is scary. Oh my god, I can see the damage. Just touch me. Okay. Next it's called 3,000, guys. It's called 3,000. Okay, let's go there. Uh-oh, I got badge award again. SCP 610 610. Why? Why is it glitching? Wait, oh, we have a shield. Okay, we can shield monsters. Oh, okay, we're in. What's that? A flashlight? Is that a flashlight? Weapon? Oh, we can search a monster. I can see the monster there. What's that? It's called SCP-610. Oh, there he is, the monster. Uh-oh. What's that? Hello? Hello? Hello, can I touch you? Hey. Hey, how's it going, buddy? Oh, no! No, please! No. I think the SCP is chasing me. Okay, let's go back there. Oh, no! No, please! No! No, please! Please! The SCP is chasing me! No! Oh my god, I'm glitching! Why I'm lagging? Help! I'm stuck. Please. Come on. Uh-oh, no. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's get out of this place. I hate this SCP. What the? The SCP is staring at me. Look. It looks like an Xbox. Okay, let's go there. Okay, we're in. We're back. So, this SCP is creepy. What's that? It's called SCP. Ow! Ow! I don't like it. No, I don't like this. No. Nuh-uh. No. They cause damage. Look, I did lose my flashlight. Okay, it's called. Oh, my goblin joined you. Okay, my brother joined me. SCP-076. Okay. SCP-1051. You ruined my day, bro. Okay, what's that? Is that a house? Hello? Can I get? No! Ow! I don't like it. No! Get here. No, I hate this. Close! Ow! No! Haha! What's that? SCP-2 880. SCP-895. 895. Is that crocodile? I know the crocodile is. What's that? Can I see? I won't fall, guys. What's that? Is that this in a paper? Wow. What's that? Huh? Ah! No, 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 please, no. Ow! No. No, let's get out of here. No. Nah. No, I hate this place. This place is horrible. Okay, there's the trees just staying there. Okay. Nope, I don't like this place. No. Nuh-uh. What's that? What's that? Is that uniform? Uniform. Oh, I got book. Okay. Seat. Nuh-uh. What the? Seat, okay. What's that? ACP. I don't like to sit there. Fine, I will close this. This place is horrible. This place is horrible. Uh-oh, what's that? Okay, let's go to our tower. Tower of Hell. This. I got book, flashlight, weapon. Okay, let's go. I think there is it. Uh-oh. It's called SCP. Hello. No, it's chasing me. Ah! No. Please, close, close, close. Ah! Oh. No, please. I hate this game. What's that? You're staring at the wall. Okay. You're so annoying. Let's close this one. I think there's a new SCP. Wow. What the? Hmm? Oh no! I can see the uniform there.
Where are you?
And then where are you? Okay. Let's close this. And then this. Wait. This. This one is creepy, guys. Why is it creepy? Let's open. You stupid. What's that? It's called SCP-066. Oh. Are you friendly? Yes, it's friendly. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, no. No. Get out of here. No! No, oh, no. No, please. Go back. You know what? You go. You go to... Haha! You stay right there. It's called 076. SCP. Let's close this. I don't want to see it again. What's that? Where's the SCP? What's that? What's that? This place. This place is creepy, bro. What's that? Uniform or...
Where are you?
And then where are you two? Okay, let's close there.
I'm in SCP-1000.
SCP-1... Oh! Yeah, I found you. I got flashlight in a book. You know, I can see this one. The back rooms. What's that say? Eldrian. Okay, yeah, sure. What's that? SCP-1000? SCP-100. 1000. Okay.
1000.
Okay, fine. Hello? Are you a monkey? Oh, no, no. Monkey! Monkey, no. Monkey. I'm gonna go. Goose! Haha! You cannot get me again, huh? That bacon is wrong. I said don't open, bro. Okay. Oh. I can see the... No, stop, open. You gonna be danger. Uh-oh. Oh, we're close. Click. Oh, here's bacon sneaking into our tower. What's that? What's that? Is that a green monster? I don't know about God, bro. Yo, I don't like this game. So I like this game, guys. I have flashlight in the book. So I need gun, guys. We need guns there. SCB basement. What's that? Is that doctor? And then where's the gun? Where's the gun, bro? What's that? Ice cream? No, no, no. I like green. Green is my favorite color. No. You gonna make, who's that? Is that SCP? Hello, SCP. Oh. Start, start the oven monster. Monster. I'm gonna lock you down. Monster. Wait, what's that? Cool. What's that? Now we need
Where are you?
Okay.
Where are you?
Okay. Fresh food. Here we go. I got a fin now, huh? You love it? My friend? My friend? Huh? What's that? Oh. Take the food. Take the food. What? Apple? Okay, wait. Apple, you love apple? Oh my god, stop. You're so dumb. I don't like you. I don't like it. Oh, there is. Oh, no. No. Let's close this. Why is coming after me? Huh? Hello.
Run. Run!
Okay! Why is it? I think he is crazy. Why does the game... No. I think the SCP is not coming after me. I'm begging the gun. Ow! What happened? I died. Hmm? Haha. Okay. Run away, my friend. Okay, what's that thing? Each SCP will respawn for a few minutes to avoid spawn killing. Each SCP has a differ- different respawn time. What? I don't like a house. Why? I don't have a gun, bro. I need a gun.
I will be right back.
Okay, we're shoot gonna next. Okay, let's go to SCP-096. Okay, let's go. It's called 20,000. Badge award. SCP-096 award. Udo. No. Don't opening. Okay, don't open yet. Oh no! Oh my god! No. Can you stop opening the... Come on! Why does the robot is weird? Okay, let's get out of here. Don't open yet. Okay, come on! Come on! What's that place? This place is horrible. No, I'm not. Come on! No, I'm not, Okay. What's that? Can I open? Huh? Okay, you can open this one. You can open you. What do you can open? Come on, Goblin. Okay, you're spelling Goblin. Hello, I'm Baldi. I have a gun. I can protect you. Okay. Oh, we scored. What? 2 0 0 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 20,000. Scored. What's that? Please, no, no. I think the SCP is coming after me. Stop. Okay, that's a bad idea, guys. Okay, we're making a new video, guys. What's that? Is that elevator? Closed door. Oh, is that elevator? What's that?
Where are you?
I mean, what's that red thing? I think it's creeping me up. Huh? Why is it creepy? Okay, I'm gonna... What's that? That... Uh-oh! Urgent ones. Lol. Lol, bro. Bone. Howard. Oh. Hey. Touch me! Uh-oh. No! No, don't go. They're gonna kill me. Okay. Maybe, Traina, maybe Traina will appear every 15 seconds called be more. Okay.
Behind you.
Okay. Behind you? Why? Behind me? Bye, monster! Goblin, bye. I miss you, my friend. What's that? What's that noise? What's that? What's that noise? Hey, what's that noise? Then on, where? What's that noise?
Hands up.
Why? Why? Hands up. Bye, monster.
Where you need to help.
Why?
Shoot the monster.
Yeah. Get out of here. They're using damage. Why? They didn't even damage yet. You're so... Sit na What's that? Oh, we can sit. Wow. What the? Oh no, I'm stuck, bro. Mana?
Where are you?
Hi. Okay. Okay. Oh no, that's a giant mosquito. Huh?
Yeah, reset.
Okay. Woody! Okay. Okay. Why?
Come here.
Why? Where are you?
Come here.
Why?
What mine? Orange.
Orange? Okay, fine. What the? We should click it. Okay. Okay.
Okay, follow me.
Food! Yummy food! Hello!
Follow me.
I'm an entity.
Follow me. Go inside there.
Yeah. Huh? Why? Where?
Come on.
Okay. Okay, I have bad feeling about this. Turn you on! Oh, oh.
Run!
Run. Why? You type off flashlight. No, ow! I'm damaged. Help! I'm stuck. Ah! Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I don't have a gun. You should shoot it. Please.
Go back.
Okay, go. No. Ah! No, I'm scared. Uh-oh. Now.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Because it's scared. Jump.
Please, the monster. Mom. Ow!
Butan.
Ow! How? They beat me.
Okay, follow me.
SCP-300. Where are you? Oh, there is.
Go. Come here.
Why? Where's you gonna go?
Just inside here.
Okay. Hello, I'm a red person. Okay, I will click it. You should go there. Come on, go there. Okay, you should go there. Ha ha ha! You look like a purple. I love you. Hello, I'm Aaron.
Follow me.
You look like an Afmao, bro. I'm Aaron. Ha, I'm Aaron. Why?
Get inside.
Okay. Why is that a trash can? What's that? Can I?
Stay inside there.
Some. What is this? What? Ow! There's no everything. Ah, I'm back to normal, guys. I'm back to normal. Okay, the sign.
No, Kuya, you forgot.
Okay.
Come here.
Why?
Orange.
Okay, fine. Orange. I got a flashlight and a book. Where are you? Uh-oh.
Okay, let's go.
Then where are you? Okay, there is.
Get inside.
SCP-035. Hey.
Inside.
Okay. We should gonna go and Afmao.
Inside.
I love you, Afmao. What's that? Ow! No! No! I touched
Oh
it.
my god, he killed me! No!
Oh,
Stay
oh,
away.
oh, 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 I'm
Stay
dying.
away.
Yeah. Oh, ow. Oh, hey, I'm back to normal again.
Orange.
Okay. Orange. Are you Afmao? Are you Sagmao? Or Afmao?
Oh my...
Okay, let's close again. Because 035. Start. SCP-049.
Get inside.
What's that? Ow! Oh, okay.
Get in.
Ah, no. Haha.
Sarap!
Ah, ow, ow, malubog. Boy, boy. Boy, boy.
Follow me.
Close. Class. Why? This one. Okay. That was bad idea. Okay. There's a crocodile. Mom! Mama! No! Mama! I'm going to Bye bye. Stop.
Kuya, come here.
Tag mo.
Come here.
Why? SCP-999.
Come here.
SCP-999. 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 Okay, sorry. Oh, no. Ito. This one.
Yeah.
Hello. I think. Yeah, I'm friendly now. Hello. Hello, SCP-999. Hello, SCP-999. Hello. No! Don't do this! No! I'm making a choice now. No! Stop!
Joke lang. Come inside. Let's go outside.
Uh-oh. Okay, follow me. Follow me, this way. Okay, don't close the friendly. Don't kill the SCP-999.
Get
Come on.
inside.
Okay. Oh no.
Get this.
Yes, Special Award. The Blop Award. Okay. Start. What's that? Is that a dusty trip?
Just let's go.
Why? Where's you gonna go, bro?
Teleport.
Teleport? Oh. Okay. Oh, there is. Then where are you? Oh, there is.
Come here. Follow me.
Okay. Almost low, but this. SCP-999. No! No, my friend! No! Basta, don't leave our friend. What's that? It's just from earlier. No! My friend! Let's... Come on, friend! Hey! My friend! No! They're gonna...
Follow me. Follow me.
She's stealing my friend, bro!
Okay, madam.
Okay.
Follow me.
No!
Please
She's...
take care of it.
Okay. You can just... Bye, bye, monster! Let's close this. And then let's close this.
Come on.
Okay. SCP-096.
Wait, no.
No!
We're not going there.
We're gonna go there, bro!
Why?
Bro.
Yeah.
Oh, shit.
Bro. Hey, bro.
Uh-oh. They just standing
Let's
there.
go.
Whoa. Ah! No! No! Don't open! The girl.
Follow me.
No, I can't!
We're
I'm
going to somewhere.
scared. Come on, follow
I'll
me.
shoot you.
I'm sorry. I'm
We're
sorry.
going to SCP-62.
Okay. SCP-682. She's open. Okay. You're so bad. Oh, monster. Okay.
Come here.
You
Ah, my God.
SCP-682. What's that? Is that crocodile? Ow! Crocodile! Is that a crocodile? It's a crocodile! Crocodile! It's a crocodile! Ah! Monster! Monster! Godzilla! Oh no, it's Godzilla. Here, okay. I'm so slow. Okay, where you gonna go? Next. Okay.
Not there.
Okay. Monster. Uh-oh. Is that a robot? What's that? Is that a robot? What's that? The girl's running robot. Robot. Monster. Bigfoot. Ow!
Come here.
They're going to come after me. No. No, close. Ah, no. She's going to open. No! Stop! Stop! Stop opening. The SCP dude is not friendly. What's that? What's that place? Oh my god, I'm glitching. What's that? Can I...
Let's get
Oh,
inside.
come on. SCP-310.
Inside.
Okay, where?
Go set that candle.
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Let's go up.
Okay, let's close this. There's no... This one is called SCP-310. What's that? Hello?
This is your cage.
Ow,
Oh,
ow,
no.
ow, ow! No! Ow, ow.
This is your cage. Oh my god.
I'm going to die! No! Bye-bye. What's that ghost? Star ghost?
Help. Where are you?
Are you a ghost now? Hey. What's that SCP?
Where are you?
What's that? It's called SCP 0111. 011. Come on. Why is it follow me? Stop! Help! Ow! No, I'm trapped! Help! I'm dying. Not I'm dying. I'm died. I died. No. I'm still young today. Stop! You're kissing it! Bigfoot! No! Bigfoot! I'm still young to die. Ah! Bigfoot is coming after me! Walk up! Ah! No! Ow! No! The SP is coming after me! No! Why is it no? Okay, there is. Further! Hi, cannot, ano. I will just shield now. Then go! Okay, the monkey is gone. The Bigfoot is gone.
Where are you?
And then where are you? What's that SCP? Oh,
You can teleport.
okay. Where's you gonna teleport? Okay, we should
Go to
teleport.
sleep.
Ah! No! I'm Lobat! Stop shooting me! I'm Lobat.